becoming a daily thing, by the way.
So today we've come out to Howth, which is a very popular tourist destination here in Dublin.
Very.
We've come out to watch the sunset because it's yeah, it's quite beautiful out here. So yeah, as I said, Howth is very popular with tourists. We've watched a load of tourist vlogs on Howth, and we found that they all mispronounce it. So they all pronounce it
Howth.
Howth. It's
Howth.
Howth. So it doesn't look like, I can see where they're getting Howth from if they're spelling it as it said. But yeah. So yeah, we just wanted to bring you guys out and show you its beauty. Just sat and watched the sunset here on Howth at the lighthouse, and it was pretty beautiful.
What? Well, apart from the black clouds, but other than
yeah,
that, it was beautiful.
It was a bit premature. It went behind the clouds, and it kind of looks like there's a storm coming. So I think we kind of got out here and got a view in time.
I also smacked Leo with the drone at full speed.
Yeah, you tried to cut my leg off. It hurt. Oh my god, like so sharp.
It's a good thing your leg was there, because otherwise it would have went straight to the wall.
It was very true. I saved it. Can you see the island? So we did come out late in the evening just to watch the sunset, but it's definitely a place, like it's definitely a good place to come out and spend the day. As I said before, there is the cliff walk, and it's just, yeah, it's just a nice day to spend the day. You can have lunch here, like fish and chips in Howth are very popular.
Yeah, the fish in Howth is so good,
yeah.
So fresh.
It could be another good idea for us to come out one day and do the cliff walk and get fish and chips to celebrate that we finished it.
Alright, that idea.
Yeah, so yeah. We spent the rest of the evening sitting by the harbour, admiring the town from the sky through the drone, which is pretty cool to see. And we even noticed that there was a Martello tower, just like the one that we saw in our docu video. Hiya! As always guys, click like, subscribe, and those ding-a-ling and noti bells. And we will see you in the next one. Bye!